Are you struggling like crazy to make passive income online? Though you've tried affiliate marketing and e-commerce, you're not seeing the results that you were looking for, and you keep failing at every attempt, just like me then. I came to a point in my journey where I'd had it, really had it. I was ready to give up. I was doing so bad, nothing seemed to happen, and obviously I was doing the wrong things. Hey, I was ready to quit. But I was also ready to give it one last shot, and I hope you are too. I realized I needed to invest in shifting my mindset and learning new things, learning new skills. I wanted to take my passion to the internet and set up passive income streams that would serve me and my customers, 24/7, 365 days a year. And I found this training program. It's linked at my website down below, and I jumped right in. It's amazing. It's a training program for online business owners or wannabe online business owners. And you can click the link below if you want to check it out. Learn affiliate marketing, learn e-commerce, learn digital marketing. It's a program where you learn how to prepare, launch, and scale a proper business online, not just fast bucks or a scam. Let's face it, if you don't know how to market online, how to get your products in front of people, nobody's gonna know about you, about your talents, about your passions, about your great offers. And you're gonna be missing out on 99% of your potential customers. So whether you're doing affiliate marketing or trying to place your own products in front of people, you gotta know what you're doing. You wanna place those offers in front of the right audience. And regardless of your niche, you can find a global customer base, no doubt. And now you might be saying, I'm too old, but hey, you're not. You're 35 plus, 45 plus, 55 plus. So what? That's perfect. You've got the assets, the wisdom, the motivation to succeed, and all you need now is knowledge of the internet economy. Maybe you're not tech savvy. Maybe you're saying, my passion can't be profitable. Stop it. Right there. Are you gonna give yourself a chance at passive income? One more time, once and for all, or not. Roll up those sleeves again and get going. Or stay miserable, your choice. So you get your free share here, your insight, so you can make up your mind whether you think this is worth investing in or not. Are you ready? You'll find training, mentoring, and even tech support all the way. Okay, click the link and I'll see you soon.